What is going on YouTube? This is Joseph from Cooking with Joseph Milsark. Thanks for watching, subscribing, and leaving comments. Today I'm going to be making potato chips in the microwave. Not salt and vinegar ones, just plain potato chips. What you're going to need is some potatoes, russet potatoes. I'm just going to be using one. A knife and a mandolin. I'll be leaving the skin on the potato, and I'll show you how to do it. Alright, so first thing you're going to want to do is cut top and bottom off of the potato so you get something like this. And with these you can just discard them. Then cut the potato to halves, to half pieces, like these. Get rid of that. And if you don't like them with skin, then you can peel the skin off with a vegetable peeler. Alright, so I'm going to be using my mandolin. Get chip pieces. Alright. Alright, so get ready. Oh, dang it. Sorry about that. The potato came off the guard. That's happened to me before. Right. I'm going to cut scene here so you can see a bottom view of underneath the mandolin. Alright. So here's a bottom view from my mandolin. If I can get it. There we go. Hang on, I have to just make a small cut. But this is all part of the process. Maybe not all of it, but it's very easy. This is very easy. For this, I don't really need it. That could be a potato wedge in your future. Alright. I can match this back up to the hole, the original hole. Watch. Right. There we go. So, this is how many chips I got from that one half. You can see how thin they are. You want them thin and crisp. You want them thin. Now, next up, just get a little something that you can put the chips into. Unless you have a little something. chips into a bowl or a little something that they can just sit in for a couple of minutes. I can get one, find the last one. Alright, so for this bowl, it'll hold like 6 at once. And just place it in the microwave for and just place these in the microwave for 3 minutes. So I'll cut scene here, cut some more chips, and then I'll get back to you. Alright, so the chips are almost done. You ready? Take a look. Ooh, wow. Take a look at that. Looks good. I'll let them cool off. They smell like Chick-fil-A right now. Oh, yeah. They smell like Chick-fil-A. They smell like Chick-fil-A's waffle fries. Then just top off the chips with some salt or sea salt. If you want to do this ahead of time, then that's fine. Alright. They cool off. As they cool off, they'll become crispy. But they are just... wow. They look so good. See right there? Alright. Yeah. Going to get stuck into it. Oh, that's good. That's wonderful. I get stuck into another one. Okay, here's that crunch. One of them got stuck, but please give this a go. Another way you can enjoy potato chips in the microwave. Instead of buying them, you can buy the healthy potato chip maker from VAT19 if you want, but because it does work. Otherwise, you can just slice up some chips with your mandolin, put them in the microwave, and then get stuck into them. So, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe for more cooking. I'll see you soon.